Hello guys and gals, so I'm Hero from Cartoon Heroes and we're gonna try the 24 hours challenge if we can buy, sell, or hold the card. So tatry natin ibenta ang NBA card ng 24 hours or matrade, and kung walang mangyari within those 24 hours, i-hold natin yung card. So let's see. Ito yung card na ibebenta or trade natin within this 24 hours. 2005 Hoops, LeBron James, card number LJ29 of LJ Profiles. It is a card that has been graded by GME, Gem Tensia. Tapos ayan, para magkaroon kayo ng closer look or reference ng condition ng card. So, ang concern ko lang dito sa card na to, nung nabili ko na, is meron ako nakitang parang ding. So, ayun. Yun lang naman, other than that, okay naman yung card. So, yun guys. Nakita natin yung card and yung condition ng card. And I'm only selling this for 1,000 pesos. So, yun. So, meron ka ng card na graded. Tapos, si LeBron James pa, diba? It's 2005-2006 na NBA card. So, yun nga guys. I'll leave the descriptions below or more about it. And sana mabenta or ma-trade natin para masaya tayo at may mapasaya din tayo, diba? So, see you guys!